Hi everyone, this is going to be the final video that I have for you guys for this class. The first thing I want to tell you is thank you for being in my class. I've enjoyed it. I've truly enjoyed this time I've spent with you guys teaching you forensic science, and I hope that you've learned something, and I hope it propels you towards a career if it's excited you to do that. I know I've talked to several of you that have said that this is a really cool thing to be in, and that you're considering having as a career. That's really awesome. What I want to tell you guys right now is that I know we have 2 weeks of school left, but next week, the week of December 14th, is just going to be final exams. So I'm just covering the whole thing, and I'll just start like I normally do. This week there is a tutorial. It's called Other Forensic Investigations. This is a pretty easy, because it's just kind of a wrap up. They talk about things like arson. They talk about things like handwriting analysis. They talk about financial crimes and how we investigate those. It's interesting, but it's also fairly short. There's the guided notes. Go ahead and pull those down and have them ready to go. The mastery test, I'd like for you to have it completed this week, and there is a post test on Unit 4 that covers time and cause of death. It covers that module, the ballistics and tool marks module, the principles of anthropology module, and this module. I'd like for you to get that done too. However, if you have to, and don't take this the wrong way, because I want this all done, but if you have to wait until later next week to get these two done, that's fine, because we have a final exam on Tuesday of next week. Okay. Now, one day this week, I'm going to send you guys very soon. I'm going to send you guys a Google form in which you sign up for a time slot to take this final exam on Tuesday. It's going to be I'm going to give you 3 options, and you just pick one. And on that day, then you're going to need to be sitting in front of a school computer. That's a laptop from Okeechobee County Schools. If you read this right here, if you were assigned one at the beginning of the year, you can use that. That's no problem. If you don't have one at the beginning of the year, or something's wrong with it, then you need to get up to OAA this week and get another one, okay, before we take the test. And this is going to apply to all of your exams, so you need to get this started. And then finally, if for some reason you just want to take it at a school, or if you want to if you don't like your computer, or if you're not happy with your internet, then you can go up to OAA on certain days, and we're going to have that calendar sent out to you soon. But you can go up to OAA on certain days and just sit in front of one of their computers and take it, and we will we'll get that all lined up. So I need us to decide when we're going to take the test, and I'm going to send you guys a sign-up sheet for that. Okay. So let's talk about the final. It is a comprehensive final. If you are a freshman this year, this may be the first time you've ever taken one of these. A comprehensive final covers everything. There are 15 modules that we did, and those 15 modules there's going to be a total of 40 questions, so that's 2 or 3 questions from each module. You'll see that when I finally get you guys the review form, okay? But you're going to be allowed to use your notes on the final. So that's one of the things I want you making sure. This is why I've said over and over again, get your notes done. Get them handed in to me. And a lot of you guys are really falling behind on that, and I think it's going to show on this final. But if you have the time, if you want to, get those things printed out. Get those final notes printed out and get them filled out and ready to go. And by the way, if you've done that, you can also submit it to me. And let me just go ahead and say that. Anything you're missing, you can still submit to me, going back to the first day of school. Okay? There's really no reason to not pass this class, so you need to get to work, please. Okay, get to studying. I will get you that review guide probably later today, and then you need to. I'm going to send you a pacing, which how many. You have 8 days from December 7th until December 15th to take that test, and you could break this thing down into 2 modules a day to study, and you're good. Okay. I am going to include a suggested pacing. You can do that however you want, but don't wait until the last minute to study. Okay. The test is going to be right inside of Edmentum Plato, and I'm going to monitor it with GoGuardian, and you cannot take the test unless I'm monitoring you with GoGuardian, and you must take it on an Okeechobee County Schools computer. We've already talked about that. Okay, and then that's it. That's going to wrap us up. If you have any questions, you need to contact me. I'm Zooming on a daily basis. I am available for phone calls. I am available for emails. You can text me. I've given you all this information. You really have no excuse to not get a hold of me, and a lot of you do a great job of this and ask me questions. It's brief, It's quick and you're ready for it. And if you need me to help you with anything, that's what Zoom is for. Pop in and get me to help you with Zoom, okay? Or let me help you on a Zoom session, okay? Pull down the notes, make sure your notes are all in good shape, start studying, get this week's tutorial completed. It's pretty easy. And then that's going to wrap up the year for us. So that's it. I'm going to wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year, and I'm also going to sign off and say goodbye. Thank you for everything. Work hard, finish strong. Bye.